The Robot Lab is a place where students, researchers, and digital production experts investigate new possibilities for the circular economy. They explore how to reuse various waste materials from urban and industrial sources by integrating digital design and robotic production. A digital twin helps them to connect the design and production processes in real time, simulate and smooth out the complexity of those processes, and involves stakeholders directly both in and out of the lab. No valuable wood goes to waste. Whether it comes from discarded furniture, construction sites, or wood processing companies, every valuable piece can be repurposed and upcycled. The Robot Lab works with a database of harvested wood, which is made available to create designs. And the more wood that is added, the more design possibilities there are. Based on the availability of wood in the Robot Lab inventory, designs can be created with parametric design and optimized with artificial intelligence. Students can explore multiple design options and, if needed, check for additional wood resources of direct suppliers of the Robot Lab. Parametric tools allow them to adjust and customize their designs, based on wood supplies or specific design preferences. Simultaneously, the resulting models can be handed over to simulate, evaluate, and schedule their production. The digital twin platform allows for a seamless communication between the students and the staff team at the lab, which enables an efficient workflow and flexible collaboration. In this way, students can align their design priorities to the production scheduling and resources of the lab. When a design is finalized, a digital twin can help in simulating how the robots can produce it. In this phase, some technical obstacles can still occur. A robot that cannot be programmed as anticipated, or has a limited workspace, or does not carry the right tool may not be able to perform the operation that is required. Here, the digital twin can help evaluate production alternatives with other robots, or share data with external experts who can remotely access the virtual production setup and robot controllers in order to resolve the problem. Through digital twinning, the Robot Lab staff can be supported with quick and high-level expertise to troubleshoot and streamline production. With a digital twin, the Robot Lab is able to seamlessly work together with students, teachers, researchers, and experts on complex design production projects. Starting with scanning harvested wood, generating optimal designs for these materials, and having an integrated evaluation for the production of the project. Involving the different participants in a predictive digital environment, students, researchers, lab staff, and technical experts, to generate and implement circular applications.